Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get the Sharkman and the Karate Water Kung Fu. And just go ahead and unlock the Kung Fu in level 400 Mastery. And once you get the water key dropped by the Tidekeeper boss, obtain like at least $2,500 and 500 fragments to buy Sharkman Karate from Dagrok, the Sharkman, and the second or the third sea. So that's basically the quickest step that I know of, at least, to obtain these skills that I just told you guys. So yeah, just follow through step-by-step process, and yeah, it's the quickest way. I've done research online if there's an alternative way to actually do this a lot more quicker in terms of obtaining this fighting skill, but there are none. So I certainly hope this video has been any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.